3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41至到62公里。喺凌晨5點鐘，熱帶風暴馬力斯集結喺香港以西大約250公里，即係喺北緯21.9度、東經111.8度附近。預料向東北偏北移動，時速約15公里，移入廣東內陸。按照而家預測嘅路徑，馬力斯會移向清遠一帶，喺中午前後喺本港西北大約200公里掠過。馬力斯會喺中午前持續為珠江口一帶帶嚟偏南強風及狂風大驟雨，高地間中吹烈風。預料3號強風信號會至少維持至正午12點，隨後會否改發1號戒備信號，要視乎馬力斯喺內陸嘅減弱程度以及本港嘅風力變化。海面會有大浪及湧浪。市民請遠離岸邊及停止所有水上活動。喺過去1個小時，昂坪、大老山及青洲分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時55、50及49公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時101、99及62公里。
The strong wind signal number 3 is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 km per hour are expected. At 5 a.m., tropical storm Malik C was estimated to be about 250 km west of Hong Kong, which is near 21.9 degrees north 111.8 degrees east, and is forecast to move north-northeast at about 15 km per hour into inland Guangdong. According to the present forecast track, Malik C will move towards the vicinity of Qingyuan. It will skirt it around 200 kilometers to the northwest of Hong Kong around noon. Malik C will continue to bring strong southerlies and heavy squally showers to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary before noon. Winds on high ground will be occasionally gale. It is expected that the strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force at least until noon. The need to issue the standby signal, number 1 thereafter depends on the degree of weakening of Malik C over inland areas and the changes in local wind conditions. Seas will be rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Nong Ping, Tate's Cairn and Green Island were 55, 50, and 49 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 101, 69, and 62 km per hour respectively.